What's up, Dr. Fu? Get your feet out your mouth! Get your feet out your mouth! Our daughter stay in the pool. Get your feet out your mouth! Ain't that right, baby?
Are you sure?
Yes. What do you want, baby? Get your feet out your mouth! What you want, baby? Should we tell the truth? Get your feet out your mouth!
We kept going.
And that's what happened. Get your feet out your mouth!
So weird.
Should I say, Dr. Phil? That was fun. If I have to tell you one more time to get your freaking feet out your freaking mouth, I'm gonna beat you. Do you understand me?
I mean, wow, fascinating. Would you mind showing us?
Yeah, I'll show you guys. Come on.
Get your feet out your mouth. Get your freaking feet out your freaking mouth. You're gonna blow our cover. Come on.